Welcome to a Let's Get to It tutorial. Today we're featuring the new Gerda Steiner Designs fall release Nuts About You stamp set to make this fun fall card. Let's get to it. This card was made using a pumpkin-shaped die to create the card base. It's a fun technique that works with pretty much any die. Once we cut the card base, we lightly ink the edges, then set that card base aside. This die set comes with a panel cut. To ensure the cute little critter's placement is correct, I used a pencil and lightly marked the stamp area, as well as a light horizon line. I created mask using the Gina K Magic Mask paper and Hero Arts Contour ink. After stamping the squirrel in black, I placed the mask over him. Then I stamped the stump and the tree limb in the background. I added mask for those two elements and inked the sky and the grass. To bring additional visual interest, I added texture by splattering some Copic opaque white and dye-based ink to the front of that panel. If you don't have the items that you see here, you can use watered-down acrylic paint and any of the dye inks that you have on hand. Because this is a Let's Get to It tutorial designed to make it quick, I won't show the entire coloring process. There is a project sheet available with more information. You can keep an eye out too for live coloring classes and fun tips on improving your coloring. Be sure to subscribe so you'll know when we're live. These adorable stamps are center stage, right where they belong. I didn't want the sentiment to take away from the cuteness level, so I settled on a simple happy fall. I heat embossed with Brutus Monroe embossing powder. If you don't know how to heat emboss, that's okay. The project sheet will tell you how to do it. And when you're done watching this video, you can grab it over on the website. Our website information will be below. Well, we're almost there. Using the sample as a guide, assemble the card. The most important part after assembly is to share it with someone you love and to share it with us on social media. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate every one of you. I wanted to give a special shout out to Mace over at Gerda Steiner Designs for all his support. The Craft Dash is proud to be a part of this community. You matter to all of us, especially to me. Please share your artwork with me. Just tag me on all the social medias. I want to see it. I hope you have a great day. Please be sure to support small businesses like Gerda Steiner Designs, because when you're doing that, you're supporting more than small business. You're supporting big dreams. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and thank you again for joining us.